Okay guys, this is the noise that I hear. It's like clockwork every about 15 seconds or so. No matter transmitting UHF, receive UHF, in or out of my vehicle, I get this noise. I got it back from Yaesu and they say they can't reproduce this, but I can no matter where I hook this radio. I've removed all of the optional boards. I've tried removing down to the bare bones. I'm not sure what else to do. If anybody has any ideas, please let me know, because I need to explain this to Yaesu on what in the world I should do about this. Clearly something in the radio, because whether it's in the vehicle or the house, different antennas, different power supplies, no matter what, 3 different locations, it doesn't matter. They all produces this noise. From the top of the UHF band to the bottom, doesn't matter. Receive or transmit. Also the crossband repeat is unusable, because it goes into a constant, every time the noise occurs, it will go flip-flop between transmit, receive, ba-bam, 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 like that, and just essentially just kind of lock up like that. Nothing has changed in my vehicle as far as that's concerned. It's just one day it started to do it. And I do need some help on how to explain to Yaesu about this. And as I've been talking about the past 2.5 minutes, it's non-stop, no matter what. So anyway, give me your thoughts. Thanks.